In the late 22nd century, men of Earth developed technologies that allowed them to not only travel to distant worlds, but to colonize them as well. These new colonies were governed from Earth by UNCOS, the United Nations Council for Outer Space. However, these colonies were not funded by the government. Private corporations ran them. These new colonies quickly grew in both population and power. Tired of being controlled from light years away and heavy taxation, the colonies declared their independence. With limited resources and an inadequate space fleet, UNCOS was powerless to retain control. Without a unifying central government, the rival corporations soon began to wage war over newly discovered planets and their precious resources. We are the Alpha Mining Corporation, one of the most powerful galactic mining companies. Our latest discovery is Omega-6, a planet full of minerals and water. Unfortunately, Omega-6 is also on the radar of our arch-rival, Kron Corporation. While we should reach Omega-6 first, Kron will attack us and make a claim for Omega-6's plethora of wealth. A fierce battle is about to unfold. Attention, man. Your objective is to protect your base at all costs. Click on the command center, then on the barracks icon. This will build the barracks from which infantry units can be created. Well done. Now deploy a trooper to defend our base. First, click on the barracks and on the trooper icon. Then select a defense position on the map. Very well. Notice that infantry units are automatically placed inside bunkers. Bunkers can hold up to 4 infantry units. Click again on the bunker to add another trooper inside it. Great. Now press spacebar to stop creating units. Well done. Deployed units can be upgraded. To select a deployed infantry unit, place your mouse over the bunker, then quickly click. Now upgrade one of your unit attributes by pressing the plus button next to the desired attribute. Then click the close button. Excellent. You can also create grenadiers, more powerful and expensive infantry units. Deploy a grenadier on the battlefield now. Very well. You should also create defense turrets to strengthen your forces. Turrets are produced at the factory. Click on your command center and then on the factory icon. Great. Now deploy a defense turret on the map. You currently have 2 turret types unlocked. Click. Excellent. Our defenses are ready to repel the first wave of invaders. You can expand the footer at... Now notice the time controls. Pause, play, and fast forward. It is now set to pause for this tutorial. Set it to play to send the first wave of invaders. Now watch your defenses crush the small group of invaders. You can make the wave arrive faster by clicking the Next Wave button. Pressing Next Wave also increases your mine's productivity. Well done. You can create a mine to generate steady extra as your defenses repel the second wave of invaders. Notice the extra revenue generated from your mine. If you feel your ground forces need a little help, you can call an airstrike. But first, you need to build an air command. Click on your command center. To call an airstrike, click on your air command, then select a strike icon. Try one right now. This one will be free.
Weapons activated.
Excellent. The tutorial is completed. You are ready to lead your troops to victory.
activated. Weapon activated. Weapon activated. Mission complete.